Moving on, 9 foreign nationals were jailed for life in 2023 for trafficking heroin through an ocean vessel have now walked free. The High Court in Mombasa has overturned their life sentence in the 1.3 billion shillings trafficking case, citing serious legal breaches, poor investigations, and unlawful destruction of evidence in a case that caught the attention of the nation over a decade ago. Fatuma Bugu has more.
It was once held as one of Kenya's biggest drug busts. In 2014, a ship known as the MV Al-Noor was intercepted in the Indian Ocean and found to contain both solid and liquid heroin. But nearly a decade later, the court says it was all mishandled from the start. Mombasa High Court Judge Justice Wendy Misheni has ruled that the accused persons, 8 Pakistanis and Iranian national, did not receive a fair trial. Key evidence was inconsistent and standard legal procedures were ignored. And the location of the ship during its interception remains in dispute, the judge ruled. Conflicting testimonies from Kenya Navy officers said the ship was captured at 6 nautical miles far into international zones, casting doubt on Kenya's jurisdiction. The ship also had no flag and no known owner.
It was our argument from the very beginning that this ship was arrested in the high seas outside the jurisdiction of the court or even the jurisdiction of Kenya, then brought into Kenya.
Worse still, the vessel was destroyed by order of then President Uhuru Kenyatta before the defense could examine it. The court called this a violation of the accused's right to a fair trial. Then, there is the issue of where the heroin was found. While the charge sheet claimed drugs were on the deck, most were recovered from tanks after the accused had already been taken to court. Forensic reports revealed only trace amounts of heroin in the seized liquids.
That these drugs were destroyed before the accused persons would have an opportunity to even conduct their own forensic tests, which would be from a lab different from the one that was conducted by the government, actually did deny the defense opportunity to produce more evidence.
Justice Misheni warned against allowing powerful outside forces to override legal processes, calling the case fatally flawed in both procedure and substance. The acquittal has sparked debate about Kenya's capacity to handle complex international drug cases. And with questions swirling over accountability and oversight, the case once considered a win in the war on drugs now stands as a cautionary tale of how not to conduct justice. Fatuma Bugu, NTV, Mombasa.